traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, and welcome to the daily analysis show where I give you every single one of my trades every single day. And if you stay till the end of the vid, guys, you're going to know where, why, and how I plan to take these trades. All right, so stay tuned. The first trade I'm looking at, guys, is the NASDAQ, right? And this is the catalyst for all my other trades, because my other trade ideas are flight to safety currency pairs. And what we saw yesterday was a sell-off on the indices, and this led to strength in the flight to safety currencies like Swiss franc and Japanese yen. So that's the basis of all of my trades for today. So we'll start with the NASDAQ because that's the catalyst. And as you can see, always I start with the day chart to get me my daily direction, right? And as you can see, this is where we're at with the NASDAQ, right? We are clearly in a downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, right? So we're in a downtrend, we're below the moving average 20, and we have a very bearish daily candle. Doesn't get much more bearish than that, okay? So we're looking for sells, only a conservative target really, guys, because we've kind of got, you know, some support here straight away. Maybe it could come down to this level. But yeah, conservative target, because we are still against the weekly trend, right? But weekly potentially has a lot of room to move into. Okay, but because of that weekly trend, my daily target is a little conservative, right? But still lots of pips to move into. So we're looking to sell NASDAQ. If we look at the H4, all right, I'm looking at these two levels, right? So this level through here, you can see is a daily level, right? Price could potentially retrace into here. Yeah, we get a nice bearish reaction, and then we start selling the NASDAQ, right? Alternatively, guys, we've got this H4 low here, and time again, we see this. What was once support becomes resistance. So this could be a really nice area. Moving average 20 comes down, price retraces into here, we get a bearish reaction, and then we could start selling the NASDAQ from there as well. All right, so yeah, these two areas, but as you know by now, guys, I need a retrace. A retrace gives us value. It helps us hide our stop, gives us value, and gives us lots of room to move into. All right, so we're looking to sell the NASDAQ. And like I say, that's led to some flight to safety currency pairs. The first one is pound yen, right? I haven't looked at a yen pair for months, right? Literally months. But this is, you know, coming down nicely, right? And it has room to move into. So if you look at pound yen, right, we all know yen pairs were in this crazy uptrend, right? And as you can see now, we have had a breakdown. We are getting lower highs, and now we're getting lower lows. That is a confirmation of a downtrend. We're below the moving average 20, right? We've got a nice big again. Daily candles don't get much more bearish than that. And we've got room to move into back down to I'm just literally taking it to a potential support level, right? Back down to that level. So that's the trade idea. That's the direction we want to sell. And then again, guys, if we just look at the H4, and more, I'm just trading the H4, guys, right? Because sometimes I will enter on the H1, but the H4 has been the real entry time frame for me recently, and it's been, you know, doing well. So if we just follow H4 structure, right, bang, we're in a downtrend. Okay, I just want to see price retrace back to these lows. What was once support becomes resistance. Yeah, the moving average 20 catches up. This is a really nice area for selling. Get a bearish reaction, and we can start selling pound yen. All right, so that's my second trade idea. And my third trade idea, before I show you that, guys, if you haven't already, please come join our trading community. Yeah, if you want to speak to like-minded traders, share knowledge, ideas, then please come join our free Discord channel. If you would like more than that, and you would like my trade signals, you would like access to numerous tutorials that I've created, and you would like direct access to me, as in you can ask me questions, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And also right now, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you can get access and discounts to all of these things. So check all of this out. It's all in the video description. And also, guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. We'll look at the live charts. We might even have a live trade. Come join me for that. Get your questions ready. Right, the last one is Euro Swiss franc. So like I said, right, that NASDAQ coming down, the indices coming down has led to strength in yen and Swiss franc because they are flight to safety currencies. And this is no different, right? You can see here, Euro Swiss franc, right? Price had created an uptrend because we're getting higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? Uptrend. But then yesterday, just bang, right? Price dropped like a stone, okay? Breaking this low, right? That's the important part here. Broke that low. We are now getting lower lows. We're just below the moving average 20 as well. All right, so we're looking for sells for that reason. And, you know, just look at the daily candle, right? Super bearish. I actually haven't put a target here, guys, but I would aim for, this 9,600 area here. Yeah, 9,600 psychological level. If we drop to the H4 now, as you can see, H4 is clearly breaking down. Obviously, if daily's breaking down, H4 is breaking down, and we're in a downtrend, right? But I just want to see price retrace to potentially this grey zone, right? We get a bearish reaction and we can start selling, or this grey zone. You know, I want a deeper retrace if I can, but sometimes the market doesn't give you that deep retrace. But this would be a nice deep retrace, right? You've got this last low here, got the moving average 20 coming down. This area right here would be an excellent level for selling, right? Get a bearish reaction, and then we can start selling Euro Swiss franc. I'd take some profit here, leave some profit to run. All right, guys, so those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the important news now, of which there is lots. So news for Thursday, the 18th of July. Before I get started, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button. And don't forget to join me for the live stream today as well. So overnight, guys, we had some employment data come out of Australia, and this has given some strength to the Aussie dollar because look at that. That is a big beat on expectation, yeah? 50.2K, right? So that was given strength to the Aussie dollar. But the news we're interested in is this. At 7 o'clock, coming out of the UK, we've got all of this employment data, right? Including the unemployment rate. So all of this together is like one big 3-star rating. Must be aware of that. And then after that, guys, the big news for today, the big daddy, big mummy news is at 1:15. These are all London GMT, and you have got the interest rate coming from the ECB, right? So they're expecting to keep interest rates the same at 4.25%. So we shall see. But also, you know, deposit facility rate and all of this information coming out at the same time is just going to create super volatility in the euro. 15 minutes later, we got initial jobless claims and Philly Fed manufacturing coming out of the US. Again, important figures. Like I said, guys, a busy news day. And then at 1:45, half an hour after the interest rate decision, we got the ECB press conference. And this is just as volatile, if not more volatile, than the actual interest rate decision itself. Yeah, they look at forecasts, how they arrived at that figure, etc. Right? So you must be aware of that. And then after that, guys, the last piece of news, if you're still awake, is this. 11:45, coming out of New Zealand, we got the CPI. So yeah, like I said, guys, busy news day. Tread carefully. Don't forget to join me for the live stream later on, and have a great trading day.